Hello, Kardom, Karbi Anglong, Jirpu Kidoan. Aprang sinang litum Kidoan upon tami ingding pokebra si Karbi Risunim Surongaje. Kardom nang litum han pipa zirlo. Non ni ninonda taralang so KPH Kamate Karbi people halls along Sidolo. Labang ke main gate entrance lo. Lapanabang ke Kajiro hang Pick Clock Tower. So dear family and friends, right now I'm here at Karbi Youth Festival, Tara lang so. So in this KYF there are different stages. This is stage number 1, Long Mirjing Achatai, and the other side over there is Sing Mirjing. And this is the way to Nothingpi Karbi Momentum Museum. So right now you can see the map here overall. So now we will be going to Ethnic Village and Departmental Exhibition Stall. So this is we have to take this way. Non nili nangapak lang danji lake departmental store. Lapen Ethnic Village. Indeed, this is the largest and oldest ethnic festival in Northeast India. So before going into Ethnic Village, Ladakh le na bangke langdam afrang na ho traditional craft and sell exhibition complex.